Alright guys, so everyone keeps asking me to use this adapter with the 110cc build. I refuse to use a PE19 or PE20 with this. Just, yeah. I don't really want to do the VM22 either. So I got something a little different. And I know a lot of people have been wanting to see one of these. If it'll even focus, it is the PE19. And I got the one with the air filter. I believe I got the 45-degree slant one. So let's see what we got. That's got to be the filter. It's the carb. Hey, we got some stickers. Cool. Alright. Let's see what we got here first. Oh, of course it's going to be one of the stubborn. So everyone keeps, oops, hitting the camera, saying how good these are. Ooh, that's actually pretty sharp looking. Nice. Really nice. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, we have a filter. Little hose. What do we got? We got some jets. I don't know what that says on it. Kind of hard to read through the plastic. We'll look later. Got our heat spacer with a gasket. Hardware. Cool. Alright. Aha, here we go. See what we got. Wow, they do quality control check. Look at that. Someone marked them all out when they checked it. Capped it. Let's see what we got inside. Ooh. Thing's heavy. Holy crap. Guys, we gotta look at that. Oh my. Wow, we'll go back to that in a minute. Look at this thing. Oh my. Thing is heavy. It's like a brass slide that they chrome plated. It is definitely chrome plated too. Holy. Let's weigh this. What do we got? Grams? Yeah, grams still. Holy crap. It's 62 grams. You guys see that? Oh, that's touching it. 62 grams, that slide. Oh, that is heavy. It gives you an idea. A motorized bicycle one, it's only 12. A little, wow. Oh my God, that is so smooth. Hold on a second. Let me get you a better view. Alright, I'm hoping that shows up better, but that is a polished slide. Dude, that is some quality stuff right there. Oh my. Wow, I am really impressed. Well, that's why you're going to pay 60 bucks for this if you get one. Oh my. Wow. But that is some seriously nice. Wow. Damn, that is slide so easy. I have to tell you, this is like really quality carb right here. So this is the 19mm one. You guys want to see? It's printed on it even. Give me 1 minute. If it'll focus. So this is what it looks like. Man, they even did the surfaces and stuff. That is nice. What is that? Oh, they polished it out just to get any stuff off it. Yeah, I tell you, that's some quality work right there. Nice. That's like one of the nicest carbs I've seen in a long time. So will the bolt pattern on this line out? Sweet. So it is 48 mil. Let's take a look at the filter. Oh wow, that looks sweet. Nice. Really nice. Alright, so anyways, that's what I'll be using. Just for giggles. Let's put this whole thing on here and see what we're at. I'm just curious how heavy it is. It is 408 grams. So you'll be seeing this on the 110cc build using the adapter y'all want me to use. Alright.